we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words as well, some of the most mispronounced too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So yes, let's spoil it for you. The H is silent for this word. In British English it is said as honest, or honesty I should say. Honesty from honest. The word honest and honesty. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as honesty. A more open R sound at the beginning, still a silent H letter. Honesty in American English versus honesty in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.